If you're seeing AutoCAD error 260, that usually means the installer is hitting a write failure. In simple terms, Windows is blocking AutoCAD from creating the folders or files it needs in the destination path. The good news is that this is usually a permissions issue, and in this video I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AutoCAD troubleshooting guides. It really helps the channel and it tells me to keep making videos like this. Let's start with the first and easiest fix. Run the AutoCAD installer as administrator. Find your AutoCAD Setup.exe file, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. This gives the installer elevated permission to write files where it needs to. In many cases, that alone is enough to get past error 260. If the error still appears, the next step is to check Windows User Account Control, or UAC. Open the Windows Start menu and search for UAC. Click the option that says Change User Account Control Settings, then move the slider all the way down to Never Notify and click OK. If Windows asks for confirmation, accept it. After that, restart the installation and see if AutoCAD installs normally. Now let's move on to folder permissions, because this is one of the most common causes of write failure errors. Navigate to the installation folder, which is usually located in C drive, either C:\Autodesk or C:\Program Files /Autodesk. Right-click the folder and select Properties. Go to the Security tab. Here, check that your user account has full control. Also make sure that System has full control enabled as well. If either one is missing or restricted, click Edit and adjust the permissions so the installer can write files properly. While you're still in the folder properties, also check the read-only setting. In the General tab, make sure the read-only box is unchecked. A read-only attribute can prevent the installer from creating or changing the files it needs, which can trigger AutoCAD error 260 during setup. Another thing that can interfere is antivirus protection. Sometimes, Windows Defender or a third-party antivirus program can lock the destination folder while the installer is trying to write to it. To test this, temporarily disable real-time protection before running the installer again. If you're using Windows Defender, open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and turn off real-time scanning temporarily. If you use another antivirus tool, pause its protection just long enough to complete the installation, then turn it back on afterward. After doing these steps, try the AutoCAD installation again. In most cases, running the installer as administrator, adjusting UAC, fixing folder permissions, removing the read-only attribute, and disabling antivirus interference will solve the problem. If AutoCAD still throws error 260, double-check that the install path is accessible and that you have enough disk space on the drive. You can also try installing to a different folder or a different drive if the current location is locked down by Windows, and that's it. You now know how to fix AutoCAD error 260, which is a write failure caused by permissions or security settings blocking the installer. If this video helped you out, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AutoCAD fixes, software tutorials, and step-by-step troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.